Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful glass bottle decor ideas. So I hope viewers here in some videos. So friends, let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is viewers, so friends, paint bottle decor. Start with a clean glass bottle and paint it your favorite color. You can add flower, leaves, dot or simple pattern to make it look beautiful. Bottle, flower vase and old glass bottle can easily become a lovely flower vase. Add some paint, ribbon or decorative stool. Then place your favorite flower inside. Rope warp bottle. Here is a simple and beautiful idea. Cover the bottle with jute rope from top to bottom. Add a small flower or bow for a natural look. And viewers, bottle lamp. So viewers, turn an empty bottle into a beautiful decorative lamp. Add suitable decoration lights inside the bottle and place it on a table or shelf. Glitter bottle. For a more glamorous look, cover the bottle with glue and add glitter. You can use one color or combine different shades to create a stunning design. And viewers, bottle with the seashell. And friends, give your bottle a beach style look by decorating it with small seashells. Add some rope and a few pearls for an elegant finish. And viewers, bottle candle decoration. So friends, viewers, glass bottle can also be used as beautiful candle decoration. Decorate the outside and place them safely.